Hello parents, and welcome back this week to our boys in years 7 to 10. Obviously, unfortunately, we've still got some boarders learning from home, but other than that, in the senior school, we've got almost all of our boys back on campus. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to congratulate those boys who have spent a large portion of this term learning from home on their academic resilience and their independence with their learning. Really well done. Our cleaning staff this week here at Toowoomba Grammar School are obviously very busy as they get around to all of our high touch areas and also our practical areas and make sure that they're being wiped down with disinfectant regularly, as well as doing a couple of runs during the day through the classrooms, doing desks and chairs to make sure that all of our boys are kept safe here at Toowoomba Grammar School. Obviously for boys, it's really important that they're conscious of their hygiene and using the various hand sanitizer stations that are around the school. Thank you also parents for your patience with the Herries Street work that's been going on here at school over the past couple of days, and also the added traffic in that area. Just when talking to your sons, if they do walk down Herries Street, can you ask them to please not cross at the Herries Street driveway and move up just a little bit to the crossing that is in front of Groom House. That is probably the more safe area for the boys to cross the road. Also, if your son is a little bit ill and you're not sure as to whether or not you should send him to school, feel free to keep him at home and encourage him to contact his teachers seeking any work that he can do that day. Finally, from me, I know a lot of the boys who are back are super keen to get back into some sport and activities, and look out for a message later on this week from our Director of Sport and Activities, Mr. Steve Fryer. Thank you.